In the first level, in Mexico, we have Tuki the Tucan, who tells the stories with Senor Papa about the different legends, the stories, the history of Mexico. One of the ones we do that you're going to see in just a second is about the Mexican flag, and it tells the history of the Mexican flag. I think you'll like it. Check this out.
Hey, Tuki, where are you, Tuki? ¿Dónde estás, Tuki?
Hola, señor. Buenos días.
Hey, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás tú?
Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted?
Bien, gracias. Before we start our story, I want you to get your Bandera Mexicana materials out that you can make the flag while Tuki and I tell you the story.
Now we want you to color the picture on the flag while we tell the story. Look at the colors on our flag and color your flag just like it. 1,000 years ago, the Mexica Indians were a small nomadic tribe in central Mexico.
Why don't you tell Telelandia what nomadic means?
They were wanderers. They didn't have a permanent civilization like buildings or palaces.
But why didn't they settle in one place?
Well, legend has it that...
Wait a minute, Tuki. Do you think these muchachos know the difference between history and legend?
Of course, senor. A legend is a story that may or may not be true, and history is factual.
Can you get on with the story already?
Bueno, a ver, let's see. The Mexica, or as we call them, Aztecs, were nomadic. They traveled a lot. Legend has it that one of their gods, Huitzilopochtli, he was a hummingbird.
Un momento. Their god was a hummingbird?
See, well, sort of. One of their gods was a hummingbird. They were pagans. That means they worshiped many gods. This was before the Spanish came and introduced them to Jesus Christ, Jesucristo. So they didn't know any better. In our next story, we'll talk about a feathered serpent. But can I get back to the story now?
Sí, sigue por favor. Continue, please.
As you can see, it's easy to learn the history of the country if you do it in a fun way with the Tucan puppet and Senor Papa, who's a native speaker. They go through all the history and legends of Mexico in a fun way. Tuki and Senor Papa banter back and forth. And as you can see, the kids are creating a craft while they're learning the history. Their hands are on it. They're learning what the Mexican flag is all about. What's that eagle about? Why does he have a snake in his mouth? So the kids are going to learn that and remember it because they have one. They have one to take home with them, to show their parents, put on the refrigerator, whatever it might happen to be. There are also workbook activities, very simple questions that go along with that so that the kids can retain it and you can check whether the kids have that retention or not.